mounts with the generator. Nice fresh template. Nice fresh design. Alright guys, that's it. This is going to be a window grid for a glass window. This was the template. This was the after work of it. Came out really nice. It's going to be for a window. Pop-up trailer. It's got to get the hoist that rolls this up now. The chain on the inside broke, so what you gotta do now, right when your hands crawl through the little crawl space there, work your way over there and grab the new chain, the ratchet, so you can go to get this pop-up.